Hello folks and welcome back. On this episode we're going to install a backup camera and vent covers on a 1700 BH Winnebago Micro Minnie. Don't worry folks, I didn't sell my Casita. It's never going to happen. This is my son's Winnebago and we're just going to help him out and show you what it's like to install these on another type trailer. First we'll give you a quick glimpse of the inside here so you can see the difference between this and a Casita. They have a full-size bed up here on the front and then two bunk beds back here for the grandkids, and it works out good for them. First thing you'll notice is that his trailer came pre-wired for a Voyager backup camera. We're not using a Voyager camera, we're using the same camera I used on my trailer. So we'll actually have to take their plate off here and pull the connectors out that they use and go ahead and splice our wires in. So that's what we're doing here first, is just taking the plate off. Now that we've got the plate off, you'll see the electrical connector here, and you pull it out, it's just got a positive and negative wire on it. We're going to disconnect their wires off of this connector and then hook their positive and negative wires to our camera's positive and negative wires using crimp connectors. Once you get it crimp connected, you need to either black tape it with electrical tape or use heat shrink, which I prefer. Then you're going to stuff the wires back into the hole. Then you're going to mount the camera bracket up here. And how we did that is we used VHB tape on the back of it to the trailer and then put two screws, self-tapping screws on it, into the trailer. Next thing you want to do before you do anything else is energize the camera and make sure that it actually works. Once we ensure the camera works, then we'll seal everything up and finish the job. Alright, well, we verified the camera works, so what we've done now is we've actually mounted the camera up here, and then we sealed the hole that the cable goes back into the RV. And then the other thing we did is, you notice we put the 4 screws that had the plate that came from the factory back in the holes, and we sealed those. Final thing we're going to show you here is vent covers that go over the vent so you can have them open in the rain. And all you're going to do is take these 4 brackets and they just drill through the side. You're going to put the bolts in there, which hold them on there. And then from there, you're going to set the white cap down over it and put the bolts on it. And there's 4 of those. And it's literally that simple. Alright folks, well that concludes our non-Casita maintenance here. And we hope it helps you out. And it gives you an idea of what it's like to do maintenance on a trailer that's not a Casita. And we want to tell you thank you for watching.